Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with a Dollar Tree haul. And, nothing too new. Of course, got me my Scotties. They're my best friend these days. I buy 2 boxes every time I go there. We all know how that is. And then a couple of weeks ago, I bought those little banks. One was broke. I brought it back. So we were in exchange. They didn't have a unicorn, so I ended up getting a monkey. So I hope one of the kids liked that one. And then, I thought this was kind of cool. It says, Spin Art. And I thought, maybe the grandkids would like to putz with it. I looked on the back. And let's see. So you get some that. It's like paint. Ooh, get in the box. Use it. Little plastic tray. Little circles, which I can make more of. Oh, I see. Okay. Put the disc in. And you just strip paint. Yeah, I might like it. Kind of cool. Who knows? Nana may have fun with that. So, got that. Saw that. Thought that was kind of cool. Yeah. Preoccupied grandkids, you know? It's a good idea all the way around. Preoccupy the grandkid. And not the best to put things back in boxes, that's for sure. So I got that. Then, the next thing I got is, I thought these were kind of cute. Just for grandkids too. Just this weekend, because it's supposed to be cold, so we're not going to be outside. I got 2 little birds, little chickadees. I thought Ellie and Riley would like them. And I got the Easter egg for Lakota. And I thought they could make them for Mom and Dad. And then, I got this for myself. A truckload of luck. That. Oops. And then I needed some tissue paper. I was hoping to find tissue paper that was St. Patrick's-y. They didn't have any, so I bought this bandana. And that's what I'll use instead. So, I got that. And then I got this book because the binding was, or not binding, whatever. The width was bigger than the one I bought earlier. And then I thought these were interesting, so I bought me one. I bought Dynamo one. It's handle wrap. And you can wrap it around your shopping cart. So I got them. Got a purple and a pink. So, but then I was thinking after I bought it, you wrap it around your shopping cart, but anything in between the wrap, when it was over on the handle, it's going to be coming on that. So, you do. Then I saw these, and they're little wood shop bird feeders, and Diamond feeds their birds, so I thought it'd be kind of cute to have the kids decorate them, and then I'll put them together, glue, and then I'll spray them seal it for outside, and then we could hang them in a little tree. So I got them. Oh, oops. I guess I bought myself one. They can make me one. My bad. And then I picked up these bigger brushes for the grandkids for Riley to paint with. And then I got me some new brushes too. For that price. Touch them up. Oh, and then I bought this because I was out of glue and I thought this would be a good bottle for Riley to handle. And the tip. got that. Convenient. This was new to my store. I've seen versions of these, but not this big. It was the cotton twine, 100% cotton. So I got the gray. I got pink. I got blue. The gray and white, I should say. Because I got it like this. I don't know if it's supposed to be gray, but or light blue. I got red. I got dark black. I got the blue. I got the green. And I got the brown tone. I think there's a red striped one floating around too. So I grabbed them when I seen them because well, I just went through my string. I really didn't need that, but for that price, I can sit in my cupboard for until I use it. Plus, I like this one right here. So that is my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you're all having a wonderful Friday. I just got a phone call. Riley is on her way. So I will talk to y'all later. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.